Wealth After 50 presents the catch-up code financial advisors won't tell you about. If you're over 55, does your retirement account look more like a piggy bank than a pension? There's a built-in IRS perk that can legally let you supercharge your savings. For some, this could mean an extra $11,250 in your 401k this year alone, on top of the standard limit. Advisors love to talk about starting early, which is great advice if you're 25. But what about those of us who are not starting early? The average 60-year-old has saved less than six figures, which feels miles away from the million-dollar goal. That anxiety of will I ever catch up is real. Today, we're not just cracking the code, we're blowing it wide open with three powerful levers the IRS gives you. Let's dive straight into the cornerstone of your late-stage wealth acceleration: catch-up contributions. The IRS recognizes that life doesn't always go to plan, so they've built in special provisions for those aged 50 and over. If you are 50 or older, you can already add an extra $7,500 to your 401k, 403b, or 457 plan. That's on top of the standard $23,500 limit. Right there, you're looking at a potential $31,000 going into your retirement plan, growing tax-deferred. But here's where the real magic happens, thanks to the Secure 2.0 Act. If you are in the specific age window of 60, 61, 62, or 63, you can contribute an even higher catch-up amount. Instead of $7,500, your catch-up limit jumps to $11,250. That brings your total potential 401k contribution to a whopping $34,750. Imagine the impact of that year after year. And don't forget your IRA. For those 50 and older, you can contribute an extra $1,000 on top of the standard $7,000 limit, letting you put away $8,000 yearly. Every dollar counts, and these contributions directly reduce your taxable income today while compounding for tomorrow. Now that you're contributing more, where should the money go? A common mistake is shifting entirely into low-growth investments. But with a potential 20 or 30-year retirement, you need growth to outpace inflation. Even after 55, maintaining a significant allocation to stocks, perhaps 40 to 60% of your portfolio, is crucial for long-term health. The key is diversification. Spread your investments across large, mid, and small-cap stocks, international markets, and bonds. This manages risk while chasing growth. If that sounds daunting, target date funds are your friend. They automatically adjust your investment mix to become more conservative as you near retirement. Let's talk about two sophisticated moves that can save you a fortune in taxes during retirement. First is the Roth IRA conversion. The strategy is to move funds from a traditional pre-tax IRA into a post-tax Roth IRA. Yes, you have to pay income taxes on the converted amount now. But what's genius is that once the money is in the Roth, it grows and can be withdrawn in retirement completely tax-free. If you expect to be in a higher tax bracket later, or just want to hedge against future tax hikes, converting during a lower income year can be a brilliant move. Next is a true financial superhero, the Health Savings Account, or HSA. If you have a high-deductible health plan, you're eligible for this triple tax-advantaged account. Contributions are tax-deductible, the money grows tax-free, and withdrawals for qualified medical expenses are also tax-free. If you are 55 plus, you can contribute an extra $1,000 catch-up amount. After age 65, you can withdraw funds for any reason, though they'll be taxed as income if not used for healthcare. It's a fantastic stealth retirement account for covering future medical costs. A truly secure retirement isn't just about your investment balance. First, diversify your income streams. Don't rely solely on portfolio withdrawals. Consider dividend stocks, real estate, or even part-time consulting to create multiple cash flows that can protect you from market downturns. Next, optimize Social Security. While you can claim benefits at 62, your payment increases by about 8% for every year you delay until age 70. Delaying from a full retirement age of 67 to 70 can result in a guaranteed 24% larger monthly check for life, plus inflation adjustments. If you can bridge the gap for a few years, it's one of the most impactful financial decisions you can make. Finally, get your financial house in order by ruthlessly attacking debt. You cannot build wealth while servicing high-interest credit cards or loans. Prioritize paying them off. Entering retirement debt-free is the ultimate power move. Your 50s and 60s are a prime time for accelerated wealth building. But knowledge is only power when it's applied. Review your accounts, see what contributions you're eligible for, and start making these strategic moves today. This is your chance to build the retirement you truly deserve. And remember, it's never too late to grow your wealth after 50.